Hi there, in this video I will show you how to customize icon grid layout on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And for that we just need to press and hold any free space on the screen and go to the settings. And now we can see the home screen settings, so we can change some of them. For example, we can change home screen grid and app screen grid. Let's start from the home screen. Here we have 4 options. This one is the default option, most suitable, but if you would like to make it smaller and if you would like to fit even more apps in one line, you can just switch to 5x5 or 5x6. For example, let's select 5x5 and leave it like that. Save the changes by tapping down button. And now we just need to do the same step but choose app screen grid. And we have 4 options as well, so you can select 5x5 as well and save the changes by tapping this down button. And here is your new home screen. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.